today we are going to dress up as Krampus and have one of my DIY shoot days. Also, you're going to have to put up with my voice being a little extra husky. I lost it 2 days ago, and look, I ain't even mad. I sound like a phone sex worker. Hello, would you like fries with that? So I've been running my shoot days for a couple of years now, and it's basically I make a costume or costumes and build the set, including props, and then invite whoever wants to come and be fabulous with me to come and be fabulous with me. Shoot days are obviously with a lot more people than what we're doing today, but we thought we'd scale it all the way back to show you just how we do it. In the future there will be our more usual kind of shoot days. Joining me today will be the fabulous Sealegs Esmerelda. Her and I have been best friends. I think we worked it out, it was like 13 years. Sealegs is a hair and makeup artist, and you'll just see. I'm gonna finish getting ready, and I can't wait till she gets here. Before she gets here though, I've actually got to build the set. I got this tree for $18 from Spotlight, which was the cheapest I could find for a full-size tree, and it only needed about 1.5 cans of spray paint to get it that nice black. Just gonna hang out with my tree while it dries. My lovely husband Jeb saving the day once again. You'll see a little bit more of him throughout this video. So I've had this long frame for ages and never known what to do with it. So today I am cutting it down shorter and then giving it a spray silver and giving it a decorate with some glittered and spray painted flowers as well. Now if you've never heard of Krampus before, you may be wondering, what the hell is Krampus? So Krampus is an Eastern European folklore creature who is half man, half goat man. He's most often seen depicted carrying chains and a birch tree branch for which to beat naughty children with. The folklore is said to have originated in Germany, and in some versions of the story, Krampus is even said to be good old Saint Nick's evil brother, who accompanies him on Krampus night. So while Santa's leaving presents for the good kids, Krampus is doing exactly the opposite with the wicked ones. And today, which is 5th of December, is actually Krampus night, so the perfect night to celebrate. You can do it. Thank you. Run. Gotta get out of this sun. Oh my god. You look amazing.
Alright, look. Uber needs to stop letting me use their services because I scare every driver. Look at this! It looks amazing! Oh, hello? Oh, wow!
I'll wait to see if this might fit.
Oh My God, yes. We got fire! Fire, fire!
Oh, so toasty. Never underestimate the power of a good ring light. Like to shed some more light on this situation. That was terrible. Any money, it's going to come back to haunt me later today. $10 That's it's our Krampus
Yes!
thing. Got some chains, underwear, thigh highs, bra, shoulder piece, my puffy skirt, and underwear. So I can probably just
And this incredible headpiece.
horns.
Look at that sparkle. Yes.
Luxurious. Ooh. This is like video inception. Filming you, filming me. That should be set up and good to go. So we just got to turn it on, and we'll just check that it's all in focus and clear. Weights in the floor.
Sweepy, sweepy.
Should I do some stealing of ornaments?
Yes. And we should get some photos of it too.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's so cute. Holy shit, they look amazing. Oh my god! Oh, yes! I love that you're bigger than the tree. It just makes you more foreboding. Remember how I said that terrible pun would come back to haunt me? Yeah.
Was that a knock at the door?
Where is it?
Sorry, hang on. Hey. Ah, cool. Thank you. Yes.
Yeah,
Christmas tree.
Hey Stu, your Christmas present came.
Dun, 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 dun. Oh, fucking hello there.
I'll take your presents, little boy. Young man.
What is this playlist? Rob Zombie.
Oh yeah. Now, the keen-eyed among you are probably wondering why our living room furniture is also all completely different than from the beginning of the video. This isn't a usual occurrence. We actually got new couches.
Home and get some rest and...
This is how we do.
But I'll tell you what, getting into a car, not so easy. I was like, oh, not me horn.
Got the tea.
The tail.
Okay, back to work. And are you ready for the big reveal? So cool. You did it. You did it. How you feel? I'm exhausted.
I know. but it looked amazing.
And how good was having Miss Sealegs Esmerelda with us today? And she will be back.
I sure will.
To my lair.
Come, Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day.
Yeah.
We're gonna get our heart on. Yeah. My brain is no longer working. We hope you enjoyed the video, and if you want more, do the likey subscribey thing. I wouldn't want to run into me in the dark.